Hi, today we're learning how to draw a nose. Meanwhile, some artists consider that to learn how to draw head and face parts, you should start with a nose. Every nose has the same structure because of our anatomy, but on the other hand, every nose has unique features. It depends again on our anatomy. The nose shapes consist of 4 general planes: frontal plane, 2 side planes and bottom plane. All these sides form a prism. Let's start. First, we are making proportions of the nose, then nose tilt and position. We will use constructive points for this. The nose is symmetrical, so the points are symmetrical. 2. Marking a brow arc. 3. Marking nasal bridge and length of nose prism. 4. How to find side planes. There are points from inner corner of eye caruncle to corner of nose wings. Marking the point of the width of the base of a nose in the area of the nose bridge. Then we mark the width point between the wings of the nose. How to find a front plane. Mark level of the nose tip at points. Then mark the nasal bridge points and connect all points. The specificity of nose shape. The front side of the nose consists of 3 segments, and all of them are trapezium. The form of the nose tip depends on paired lower nasal cartilages. In general, the unique features of the nose and its recognizability are created by the tip of the nose and the dorsal hem, which almost all people have, due to the structure of the nasal bones. The shape of the nose tip is very interesting. Generally, because of paired lower nasal cartilages, a nose tip is divided. The bottom plane of the nose consists of two symmetrical triangular planes. They are divided by a nasal serpum which joins with a philtrum. The nostrils are on that triangular planes. The angle of the triangular symmetrical planes is individual, but most often the tip of the nose is below the wings of the nose. Typical problems and mistakes. You should check proportions of the nose. Is it accurate? What angle do the edges of the nose wings make with the tip of the nose? Are the constructive points marked correctly? Artists often draw eye scirocco too high, and this is wrong. Remember, the nose bridge is always higher than eye scaroccles. Usually, the height of head consists of 4 distances from the nose bridge to the nose wings. Now we have drawn a basic nose shape. If you want to learn how to draw portraits, there are other videos about how to draw eyes and lips on my channel.